In this video, I'm going to show you a super simple way in which you can earn money online. If you can copy and paste, well, this video is for you. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how simple, well, as I mentioned, if you know how you can copy and paste, you can earn money online. This is a worldwide strategy. This is simple strategy and you can start for free. Okay, so let me show you everything step by step, and please make sure you're gonna watch the entire video because I don't want you guys to miss money or leave money on the table. By the way, guys, at the end of the video, I'm gonna be revealing a bonus, okay, which is gonna be another way in which you can make money online. Okay, so now what we need to make money? Well, we need Google. Okay, we need to go to google.com, which is 100% free. If you have a tablet, if you have a cell phone, if you have a desktop computer, if you have a laptop, you can access it. Okay, you can go to google.com and we're going to be doing a search. In my case, I went with the health niche. Okay, so I'm going with healthy recipes for kids. Okay, just in case that you guys don't know, the most profitable niches are health, wealth, and relationship. Okay, so I went with the health niche, healthy recipes for kids. Okay, and as you can see, we have a lot of articles about it. Okay, you're gonna be choosing one. In my case, I went with this one on eatingwell.com. Okay, I think this is a great article and this is the one that I'm going to be using. Okay, now we are going to be using another website which is called Sniply. Okay, we're going to go to sniply.io. Okay, this is a website that is going to allow us to add a call to action to every shorter. Okay, so it's going to allow us to add a call to action to a page that we don't own. Okay, or to an article. Okay, so you can start for free. Okay, you can join here for free. There is a price involved if you want to go with the paid version, but let's leave that for later because when you go to that route, to the paid version, that means that you're profitable and you're earning money. Okay, so with sniply.io, remember that you can add a call to action. Okay, for every shortener link you're gonna be sharing. Okay. So you're going to be clicking here where it says sign in and you're going to be creating an account. It's going to ask you like, do you want to join with Facebook? Do you want to join with Google? Do you want to, to type your first name, your email and a password? Okay. And that's how you're going to log in. In my case, I'm usually using a separate email address just for my online business. So I suggest you to create a separate Gmail account. Okay. So, okay, every single time I'm using this, every single time I get a notification, it's because it's my online business or there are several ways in which I'm actually earning money. Okay, when you log in, you are going to be here on this page. It's going to be looking at different, a little bit different because I am already using it. But as you can see, I have the free plan, okay, that is allowed me to send up to 1,000 clicks, okay? So now, what we're going to be doing is that we're going to go to the article and we're going to copy the link and we're going to paste it here. Oops. And we're going to click here where it says create snip. Okay, you're going to click here where it says create snip and you are going to be landing on this page. Okay, so now what are you going to be doing? Okay, we're going to be adding a call to action. Okay. Since I'm already using it, I already have a call to action, but I'm going to start from scratch. Okay, so now you need to click here where is your account. Okay, and you're going to need to add different things. Okay, you're going to see that I already have this block because I'm not on the paid version. So what we need to do is we need to have the bottom that is going to go. Okay, so the bottom that we're going to go. And what are we going to be doing here? We are going to be entering a message. Okay, what's the message? What this bottom URL? Okay, I'm still don't get it. Well, we need to promote a product. Okay, we're not going to be creating the article. or the information that we're going to be sharing, and we're not going to be creating a product. So with that says, we're going to go to a website that is called Digistore24. I usually advise you guys to go to ClickBank, which is a great website, by the way. But I know that in certain countries, this website doesn't work. And Digistore24 do not have any kind of restriction. So you can create an account. You can go to the marketplace. In this case, we're going to go with the fitness and health, digital products for fitness and health. And you're going to notice that there are several products here with several price range. For example, the commission here is going to be $39.10, $37.58, $5.20, $3.39. Okay, so you are going to be choosing one, okay, the one that you actually go. Let's say that well, in my case, this one is not for kids, so I cannot go with keto after 50 because it's definitely not. But I can go, for example, with keto desserts, okay? Or I can go with another box. So I have 76 results so far. So what are you going to be doing right now? Well, you are going to be, I'm going to be using this for example. Okay, so I'm going to click here where it says promote now. And this, let me log in real quick. Okay, here we are again. As you notice that I create, okay, promote now. So this is the link. We are going to copy it. And we're going to go back to snip the URL. We're going to paste it here. You can put the call to action like the best way, or click here to learn like the best desserts. Click here now. So you're going to click here. You can customize it. Okay, you can choose the colors that you want, finish the call to action, and that's it. Okay, so this is the link that you are going to be sharing. Now you might be wondering, like, Diana, where do I share this? Okay, good. Okay, I get it. I need to go to Google. I need to find an article or something that is going to be on the health, well, or relationship niche. Okay, I know I have to go to Digistore24. Nice, amazing. There are so many digital products here, right? But now I have this URL, okay, this one. So where do I share it? Well, we can go to Facebook. Okay, here on Facebook, we're gonna go to groups, and in my case, I went with weight loss. Okay, so you can see here we have 60,000, 77,000 members, 41,000, 129, 137,000, 13,000, blah blah blah. Okay, so there are a lot of groups here. My suggestion is go and join them and join the conversation. Okay, join the conversation. If you decide like, okay, I'm gonna go with, for example, with keto, right? I have keto here. Well, you can go and don't be, broad. You can go with keto. Okay, do exactly the same search groups. Okay, and you can see these guys are talking about keto, the keto diets. Okay, so this is going to be way more specific. So that means that people are going to be way more interested just like than weight loss. Okay, join the conversation, right? And you can let them know like, hey, I have been, testing this keto diet for this amount of time. If you did, share your experience, and you can let them know like, hey, you have a great article. Remember, because we're going to be actually sharing this article. And remember, because we're using Sniply, okay, and let me show you, we're going to have a call to action. So we are not selling them anything directly. We are actually sharing this. Okay, and as you can see here, we have the call to action. So they're going to be reading the article that is important for them. And if they are interested to go ahead, okay, they're going to click here and you're going to be making money. So this is an easy way in which you can make money online. But guys, if you want to discover what's my number one recommendations to make money online, passive income, money that is going to be really changing your life forever, okay, click the link below. It's going to be the very first link in the description. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.